Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. He loves talking to himself, y'all. And I love it. It's so cute, Micah. Baby talk is the cutest. I can't wait until he says real words, though. He has been lacking. I think he's just spoiled. No! Oh my goodness, if he pushes that over. So I need to get batteried candles for these lanterns. And I need to do that soon. That glass fell out, and I've had these for too long for me to return it, but it fell out the day I brought it. Hey, Poo-Poo. We are at Kale Me Crazy. We took a little walk over here because Micah was just in a, I don't even know what kind of mood he was in today. So I decided to take him outside. I took him on the balcony. He broke my lantern and I was pissed off. And so I was just like, let's go on a walk. Because I was avoiding going on a walk, but it's good for him and me, so why not? So that's what we're doing. I'm just waiting on my smoothie. I get the Warrior. It's a smoothie and it's really, really good. Look at those sneakers. And this is the Powerhouse. No, I'm sorry, the Warrior. The Powerhouse is purple. Okay. You ready to go, baby? You want some? I don't know. This is not mine. I don't think this is mine. It tastes different, doesn't it? This isn't it. What's wrong with this one? Yay! Now I have to wait for them to make our drink. Sit right past the door. All those blenders are moving in the background. Got my Crocs on. Hip pants. This is a G-Star Raw jacket. And then I just have Fashion Over black top on. You can't get out, sir. You gotta wait. We're about to leave. This is what I go through. Half the day is him acting like this. He needs a sibling. He needs a friend. He needs a buddy. Now this is my drink. You want some? He didn't like the other one. Okay. Taste test your stuff, y'all. So good. All right, let's go out. Y'all, this Starbucks right here, just look at this line, starting from right here, going all the way down for that Starbucks. It's a no-no, it's a no-go, it's a hell no. No thank you. Like, that is just crazy. And I seriously waited in this line the other day and I regretted it. But once you're in, you can't get out. It's actually a really nice day today. Let's see. I really wanted to come in here, but they are closed today and it's Sunday. Okay, well, I'll just go tomorrow. I'm gonna try to come on walks every day because he needs to get out of the house. He be acting up, he be acting crazy. And mommy does not like it when he acts crazy. Look, y'all, I can't wait for this. It actually might be open already. No, it's not. It's Red Hot Yoga Smyrna. You enter through the garage, so it might be open actually. Let's go. Let's go take a look. You see how quiet he is? You wouldn't even know he's there. Is that sun too bright for you, baby? Is the sun too bright? Let mommy fix the sun. There you go. Ooh, it's still too bright. Do you need to like sit up more? Hold on. Let's see if mommy can do this. Hi everyone, I got a little luxury haul for y'all. And when I say little, I mean little, like just 3 items. Well, 4 items. Let me start with this. My Skims robe. I just ordered this and I had it on my last video I posted. And I love it. Just like the material is perfect. So silky smooth, so soft, so comfortable. And I got it in a size small, and this is the color Onyx. Y'all having a baby and filming just is not it. Anywho, before I was rudely interrupted, Micah. And then next is my Mario di Vincenzo. However you say that. I got some cute heels, y'all. And these are like wear twice a year heels. So these are statement heels. They are so cute. They're fishnet, and this is stretch material. And I love that little bow detailing right there. I think I'm gonna wear this on Kaylin's birthday. We'll see. But I thought these were like the cutest heels ever. Not ever, but y'all know what I mean. Just something that I needed for my wardrobe that's different, because I just have boring stuff. I'm like, seriously, I'm a boring mom. And it sucks. Okay, my hair looks crazy. I look crazy. I'm in my PJs. Okay, next item is my Gucci slides or my Gucci sandals. Y'all, look at what this boy's doing. He wanted his stroller over here in the corner, and it does not belong over here, just so that he could stand on it and then get scared for me to take him down. Anywho, okay, so these are probably my favorites. Well, I can't even say that, but okay, just wait. So when I originally had tried to get these, they were sold out. Oh my God, these are so freaking cute. Guys, I'm in love. These are holiday, these are, or vacation, these are summertime. These are so easy to wear with anything, like a white tee and jean shorts, like jeans and a black tee, like anything. You could wear this with anything basic and your outfit just got 1,000 times better. Look at that detailing. And I wear a size 39. And these fit amazingly, like perfectly, like wow. I'm so happy I got these. I'm actually a little too excited that I got these. Like I said, I try to get them, and then here are the dust bags. But like I said, I try to get these when they first came out, and they sold out like in 2 minutes, which I thought was really rude, but whatever. I got me some now, so I'm happy. And last thing is a Theory, just plain black long sleeve shirt. I usually wear, well, I used to wear a size small in Theory before I got pregnant and I had Micah, and then my boobs went poof. And I got 2 jugs on me now. So I thought that I was a medium, and I am a medium, but let me just tell y'all. So I went to the store at Buckhead Shops, and I was like, I just need a basic black top. Like, and
Anyway, and so the lady was like, okay, what size? And I say, I think I'm a medium now because I used to be a small and I just had a baby. She goes, you're a large, trust me. And I'm like, oh, hell no, she didn't in my head. But I was like, okay, can I see the large? And then she showed me the large, but I didn't actually like hold it up and everything. She was like, trust me, like everybody sizes up in these. And I'm thinking like I've never, what happened? Oh, the show stopped. And I'm thinking in my head, like I've never sized up. I was always a small and I always wore a small. But whatever. So I get the large and I was kind of in a rush. I didn't even want to try it on. And I got home and when I put it on like a couple days later, I was like, oh heck to the no. I'm swimming in this shirt. Like it is so loose. It's so unflattering. Y'all do not let anybody tell you your size, okay? But that black tee is $85. I'm not about to let that happen. So I need to go return that or exchange it. And let me go show y'all. Okay. So I'm not a large. It's literally just my boobs that are big. Like this is a size small. It's a looser fit, but these aren't like super skin tight. Here's the bag. Here's paper. But anyway, these aren't like super skin tight, but like look how big this t-shirt is. Let me just stand behind it so y'all can see how this, look at this. Like, no, she did not. No, she didn't. That was really messed up. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna go back and let her know. Because just don't do that to somebody. Don't just be like, hey, do you wanna try a larger size on? I feel like these run a little small. I think that's a nicer way to say it versus you're a large, trust me. And in my head, anyway, let's get off this topic. So that is my luxury haul. I hope you guys liked it. It wasn't all that, but I'm just so excited for these Gucci slides. Like, y'all have no idea. I don't even know if they're called slides. Let me see. Okay, platform sandals, I'm sorry. But yeah. I will check back in with you guys later, or that is the end of the vlog. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Say bye, boo-boo. Oh, look at him being such a good boy. Say bye. Bye. Wait, bye-bye. He's like, get out my way, mommy. I'm watching my show.